In this video, I am going to teach you how to transfer your Solana from your Phantom wallet to your Kraken account quickly and safely. Watch till the end to help you avoid mistakes. Let's get started. Go to kraken.com and sign into your account. Make sure you have verified your identity first to unlock deposits. Next, click Deposit in your Kraken dashboard to start the process. Choose Crypto in the options to see all the different cryptocurrencies you can deposit. Now select Solana from the list. Kraken will generate a unique SOL deposit address for your account. Copy this address carefully. Then open your Phantom wallet and paste the Sol deposit address that Kraken generated. Confirm the amount you want to send and complete the transfer. Double-check the address before hitting send. And that's how to transfer Sol from Phantom wallet to Kraken. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy crypto tutorials. See you next time!